Good morning, student. Today we will start Cauchy's integral formulas problems. Okay, today we will solve the Cauchy's integral problems. Okay, problems on problems on Cauchy's integral Cauchy's integral formula. Okay, then Cauchy's integral formula is nothing but integral of c f of z divided by z minus a into dz is equal to 2 pi I into f of a. 2 pi I into f of a. This is the Cauchy's integral formula. Okay, using this formula we can solve the problems. Okay, we can solve the problems. Evaluate integral of c e to the power of z plus I pi dz over each of the following over each of the following C. Okay, then condition is given here. Modulus of z is equal to 2 pi. First one. Second one B. Modulus of z is equal to pi by 2. Then third one. Modulus of z minus 1 is equal to 1. Modulus of z minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. We have to evaluate the integral of c e to the power of z by z plus I pi dz over each of the following. Modulus of z is equal to 2 pi, modulus of z is equal to pi by 2, modulus of z minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, na? Then write the question. First, the given integral we can be written in the form of the given integral we can be written in the form we can be written in the form integral of c e to the power of z. Okay, we have to write it in this form: integral of c f of z divided by z minus a into dz. We have to write down here what is there here. Z plus I pi means z minus of minus I pi minus of minus I pi into z dz. Integral of z e to the power of z by z minus of minus I pi into dz. Okay. Okay, the given equation we have to write it in this form only, z minus a form only. Here z plus I pi is there, no? This we are writing z minus of minus I pi. Okay, na? Then we can be written in the form of integral of e to the power of z by z minus of minus I pi into dz. Okay, which is of the form of integral of c f of z divided by z minus a into dz. Okay, na? Then here f of z is equal to e to the power of z, and observe here z minus a compared to z minus I pi. Okay, in place of a, okay, here in place of a, what is there here? In place of a here, minus I pi. In place of a here, minus I pi is there. Okay, means a is equal to minus I pi. A is equal to minus I pi. Okay, here f of z is equal to e to the power of z, and a is equal to minus I pi. Then next we have to take the um, first condition. We have to take the first condition. Write down here. Okay, here take down first condition. First condition is what here? Mod z is equal to 2 pi. Mod z is equal to 2 pi. Then, okay, mod z is equal to 2 pi. Okay, here mod of z minus a. Here a comma 0 is center, and mod of z minus a is equal to r. Okay, here mod of z minus 0 is equal to 2 pi is there. Then here a value is a value. Here a value is not there, means 0, 0 comma 0. Then r radius is 2 pi. Then radius is 2 pi. Then construct the circle here. Then construct the circle here. Construct a circle. Okay, the radius is here 2 pi. The radius is here 2 pi, means here observe here this is 2 pi comma 0. Here 0 comma 2 pi. In this point minus 0 comma minus 2 pi comma 0. Then this point is 0 comma minus 2 pi. 0 comma minus 2 pi. We have to draw the circle using the condition mod of z is equal to 2 pi. The general form is modulus of z minus a is equal to r. Then a values here 0, z minus 0, 0 comma 0 is center, 0 comma 0 is center, means this is 0 comma 0. Then radius is r is equal to 2 pi, radius r is equal to 2 pi. Okay, now then observe the problem here. Here z is equal to a is equal to minus I pi. Okay, minus z is equal to a is equal to minus I pi. Okay, then minus I pi means this is a y axis. This is a y axis. Okay, is the point of p of 0 comma I pi. P of 0 comma I pi. Okay, 0 comma I pi means 0 comma minus pi. 0 comma minus pi will come here. 0 comma minus pi. Okay, means the point will come here. Okay, minus the point will come here 0 comma minus pi means 0 comma p of 0 comma minus pi is lies within the circle, lies within the circle, lies within the circle. Then mod z is equal to 2 pi. Okay, 0 comma minus pi is within the circle, then mod of z is equal to 2 pi. Then write the formula, Cauchy's integral formula, Cauchy's integral formula. Okay, then integral of c f of z minus a, f of z divided by z minus a dz is equal to 2 pi I, is equal to 2 pi I. Then here f of z is equal to e to the power of z, f of z is equal to e to the power of z, then a is equal to minus I pi. Okay, minus I pi. The formula is here, Cauchy's integral formula is integral of c f of z divided by z minus a dz is equal to 2 pi I by into f of a. Okay, here f of z is equal to e to the power of z, a is equal to minus I pi. Means we are writing integral of c e to the power of z, okay, z plus I pi into dz. We are writing 2 pi I, okay, 2 pi I f of a values here minus I pi, okay, then 2 pi I f of z is what here, e to the power of z, means f of a is e to the power of minus I pi, e to the power of minus I pi. Okay, then 2 pi I e to the power of minus I pi, we are writing cos pi minus I sin pi, minus I sin pi. Then 2 pi I cos pi is minus 1, sin pi is 0. Then answer is here minus 2 pi I. The answer is minus 2 pi I. The point is lies between inside the circle means we need to find the values. We need to find the values. If the point is lies between inside the circle means we need to find the values. If the point is not lies between the inside the circle, okay, we can directly put it 0. We can directly put it 0. Okay. Then one more condition is there here. B. Okay, modulus of z is equal to pi by 2. Then modulus of z minus a is equal to r. Here modulus of z minus 0 is equal to pi by 2. Means here a value is 0, means 0 comma 0 is center, 0 comma 0 is center, and r is equal to pi by 2. Okay. Then construct the circle here. Construct the circle. Okay. R is pi by 2. Here 0 comma pi by 2. Here 0 comma minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 comma 0, this point, and this point is um, pi by 2 comma 0, pi by 2 comma 0. Okay. Then according to this problem, integral of c e to the power of z by z plus I pi into dz. Here a values here minus I pi. A values minus I pi means p of 0 comma pi is y axis. Okay, here a is equal to minus I pi is there, x is 0 and y is minus pi. P of 0 comma minus pi is lies between, observe here, the point will come here, the point will come, here. Okay, means p of 0 comma minus pi. P of 0 comma minus pi is lies outside the circle. Outside the circle. Okay. Then not necessary to evaluate. No, not necessary to find the values here. By Cauchy's theorem. Integral of c f of e to the power of z plus I pi into dz, we can be written as 0. Okay, is outside the circle, you directly write down 0. Means c modulus of z is equal to pi by 2. Modulus of z is equal to pi by 2. Okay, write down. Okay, next one more condition is there here. Observe here. Last condition, modulus of z minus 1 is equal to 1. Modulus of z minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, compare it. Modulus of z minus a is equal to r. Means here a values here 1. This p is a comma 0 is a center. Means 1 comma 0 is a center and radius is equal to 1. Okay, then draw the graph here. Okay, x-axis, y-axis. The center is here 1 comma 0, 1 comma 0, 1 comma 0. The center is 1 comma 0. Then in this problem, integral of c e to the power of z, z plus I pi into dz. Okay, here f of z is equal to e to the power of z, and a here a is minus I pi. Okay, then the point is here 0 comma I is nothing but imaginary axis, y is nothing but imaginary axis, and x axis is nothing but real axis, okay, means p of 0 comma I pi minus I pi is there, means 0 comma y values here minus pi. Okay, then check it. P of 0 comma minus pi is lies inside the circle or outside the circle. P of 0 comma minus pi, it will come here. Okay, P of 0 comma minus pi means P of 0 comma minus pi is lies outside the circle. Observe the diagram. P of 0 comma minus pi is outside the circle. Okay, P of 0 comma minus pi is the outside the circle, outside the circle. Then you can directly write down 0. Okay, by Cauchy's theorem, integral of c e to the power of z divided by z plus I pi ia dz is equal to 0. Okay, it is outside the circle means you can directly write down the 0. Okay, got it? Any doubt? Now only you ask it. Okay, I will explain it. And the next problem we can do in next hour class. Okay.